Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. For this video, we will be making ornaments out of tiles. If you're interested in seeing that video, go ahead and stand by. So the items you'll need for this project include some bathroom tiles. You can purchase them from Home Depot or Lowe's. This is the name of them. Let's see if I can get it in there. Saroni. And then this is the number right here. They come 15 in a pack and they're not that expensive. You'll also need some images to put on there, some ribbon, a hot glue gun, and just your imagination pretty much. So I already have a few out. I'm just going to pop off one or two before I put them to the side. And you see how I'm just pulling them off. You just pull them off the fishnet or whatever that's called. I don't know. But you just pull it off of there really easily. And there you go. You can paint them. You can spray paint them. You can leave them white. I actually spray painted a couple of them to use for this project. Oops. And then a couple of them I might just leave white, or I might spray paint them as well. So I have some water slide images that I'm going to put on there. I think I actually want to spray paint this one blue, or another one blue, and you could just put water slide on there, or you can put vinyl decals. So I have a couple of vinyl decals that I'm going to put on them. Let's see, I'm just going to put those to the side right now, and we're going to work with the ones I already spray painted. So I spray painted these and put a clear coat on these two, not these two. It doesn't really matter if you put the clear coat on there before or after. It's just kind of up to you and your preference. I think I told you everything: the tiles, the decals, the ribbon, the hot glue gun. If there is anything else that I missed down there, I'll put it in the description box below. I also said water slide if you wanted to put water slide on there, or you can just basically paint them. If you wanted to just, paint like a little design on there, it's kind of up to you and your imagination and how creative you are. So with that said, let's go ahead and get this project started. I already have some images cut out from the Cricut machine, and they're already prepared and ready to go with the vinyl. The transfer tape. So because I don't want this video to be too long. For this one in particular, I will go ahead and put the decal onto the ornament. It's not a project that takes a long time. The thing that takes the longest is kind of picking out your image and make sure that's straight. Picking out your image and waiting for the paint and stuff to dry. That's pretty much the thing that takes the longest time. I will also put what size you'll need for each decal in order to fit onto the ornament. What I had to do is scan an ornament into my computer, and then I measured the decal to fit the actual size of the ornament. So that is how I had to do it, because at first I measured like across here. I think we just measured across here, and the image came out way too big for the ornament, and that was a pain. So I had to kind of figure out how to get the image to actually fit onto the ornament. It's like the transfer tape doesn't want to let my dang on image go. So that's what I had to do. I had to scan it into the computer and then measure my decal to the ornament. Same way I do with the 2-inch acrylics, where you put the 2-inch circle and you just measure it that way. It's the same. Oop, didn't even realize it. It's the same way. My doggone honey came off. Okay, so apparently I kept this onto the transfer tape too long, and it doesn't want to let my image go. So that is a pain. So if you get, because I had these prepped for like a couple weeks, if you get into a predicament like I'm getting into, just use your card or your scraper to kind of keep scraping it on there and to lay it down. That was annoying. Okay. So some of my honeybees are not weeded out, so I'm just going to weed them out. I wanted to kind of do it when it was on something because it kept popping up. So that's our first one with the honey. It's really cute. And for the old bother, I'm just going to put it on this one. And if you couldn't tell, I love Pooh Bear. It's like my favorite character ever. I love Winnie the Pooh. So beach and Pooh Bear, my two favorite things. Oh no. Okay, so I'm pulling up some of my paint with this transfer tape. I thought it was dry. So just kind of make sure your paint is dry. Don't be like me. Oh, I really thought it was dry. Okay. So it is like really ripping up my paint, but I'll just touch it up. Dang it. Oh, that's like a big chunk. Oh, crap. Oh. Ooh, that really pulled up my paint. Dang. All right, so I had to touch that up, but ignore the pieces. God dang. But yeah, I guess it wasn't dry in every spot, but the transfer tape pulled my paint up, but whatever. I'm sure it's gonna do the same with this one. I clear coated it too. Let's try the Pooh Bear, because I know the yellow ones are dry. Because I spray painted them a couple days ago. Alright. It's like when you want the transfer tape to release your stuff, but then it doesn't. Alright. So that came off really easy. Alright, so I'm kind of scared to do this one, but I'm going to do it anyway, and if the paint pulls up, I didn't wait for it to. The paint, I think it's the clear coat, because I did clear coat it earlier today, but I didn't let the clear coat stay on there for 24 hours. So that's my issue, because the paint has been on there for 24 hours. All right. looks like just rolling it off versus trying to pull it off is working better to have my stuff stick on there. Dang it. All right, I thought I got away with it, but I didn't. But so that is that one. It's still cute. I like it. I'm just gonna weed out. Y'all, so these two, because I clear coated them, I should have just not clear coated them. I clear coated them today earlier, but I didn't let them sit for too long before I put I let it sit for a few hours, but not overnight like I did the paint. So the paint got pulled in certain spots, but I'll just go back and touch it up. I think they're still really cute. I should just not clear coated the doggone things, just like I did these ones, which dried for more than 24 hours. But this is the one with the honey, and then this is the one with the Pooh Bear. So let's see, I can match that up. Here we go. All right, so those are those four right there. And then after you design them, we'll go ahead and put some ribbon on it. So I have this ribbon, and I think I got this one from maybe Dollar Tree. Maybe Dollar Tree. I don't know. You can get ribbon from all over. Dollar Tree, Michael's, Joann's, anywhere you want to get some ribbon from. But I think I might have got this from Dollar Tree. And the same thing that we kind of did with the other ornaments, except for there's no hole. So you're just kind of gluing them to the back of the ornament. So basically you're just going to get some hot glue. First I'm going to hot glue this together. And be careful because it's hot. Then you're going to make sure I got that the right way. Okay. Then you're going to just put some hot glue on the back. And if you want to make sure it's really secured, because this towel is heavy, you can put like a little E6000 on the back of it with the hot glue. But just for this video, I'm going to do hot glue, but I probably will go back and put a little E6000 down with it. I think I might need another glue stick. All right. Alright, and then that's it. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna let that dry because I don't want it to fall. And I think I might need a little bit more glue on there. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then you have your ribbon on your ornament. And then you can hang it on your tree, or you could actually just prop them up on something if you wanted to, but if you wanted to hang them up on your tree, you can hang it up on your tree. And then there is the ornament with the ribbon on there. So that's pretty much it Nothing really too high tech with this project. Again, a very fun project to do with your children, a little craft night to do. Just to make some kind of ornaments, and you can get them, like I said, you get the tiles from Lowe's or Home Depot, and you get 15, so you got 15 ornaments right there to hang on your tree or give away as gifts if you want to put, like, I don't know, our first Christmas, Christmas 2020 or something like that, just to kind of remember your Christmas holiday with your loved one, your first baby, first whatever. Then you go ahead and do that as well. Like I said, it's kind of up to you and your imagination, so just let it run wild and decorate your ornaments. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you are not subscribed to my channel but you're watching my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then also hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. All right, everyone, until next time. Peace.